So we're going to be making some changes, so we're just showing you the before.
Come on, 15 minutes or less. Here you go. So it's gonna have this cool little rustic feel when we're done. Super cute. So
the reveal of the foyer. I'm gonna slow it down for you just a little bit, and I'll come in closer to the table so you can see. With my purchase of these paintings. If you remember these, look how big they are, were only $21 a piece. So I definitely was bringing them home, and I was definitely gonna make them work in my space. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and the whole DIY makeover of the foyer. And yeah, leave me a thumbs up if you liked it, but also leave me a comment if you think I should repaint it or leave it as is. What do you guys think? Help me. And also, what kind of lamp should I put on there? That one's just okay. So let me know. Thank you so much for watching.